we're gonna be making some binoculars, and they might turn out like this. I already made these when I didn't do a video. Let's start out with a blue piece of paper and a paper towel roll. Let me just cut this piece of paper quick. Yeah. Okay, we got the pieces of paper cut. I'm gonna use this tape for today, and I'm gonna tape on the paper to the binoculars. And if you cut the paper too small, that's fine because you can like just go on with it. And then you could probably cut at the end. First one done, and then we'll repeat the same step on the second one. Yes, I did paint my nails today. Make sure to subscribe and like if you made these before. Or like the patterns I do at the end. And then once you're done with that step, you can tape these together with this kind of tape, the clear tape, and then you turn it around on the sticky side, and then you stick it together, and that's how you make double stick tape. If it's easier for you, you can just buy the double stick tape, and that will be kind of easier. But we don't have any, and we only have like the kind of tape that isn't double stick. So I just do this to not make a waste of money. Add as much tape as you want to the inside like this. And then all you need to do is stick them together. Hang on a second. Okay. And then you can add some cool patterns with a sheet of paper. You can draw it and then cut it out if you want to. But I'm just gonna use this pen to do details. Like if you love my designs, I do. I'm doing this a sea theme. I think you might like it at the end. Does this kind of look like a turtle to you? If it does, like and subscribe. But it's supposed to be a sea star. Make a whale. I'm doing my best drawing I can. This is supposed to be a whale, but I know it doesn't look like one. Do a jellyfish. This is just how I draw jellyfish. I'll draw a little fishy. Tell me in the comments what kind of fish you think this is. I'll tell you once I'm done drawing the fish. If you guessed beta, a beta fish, you're correct. This is some like underwater binoculars. Make another fish. I'm gonna draw an octopus. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. If you want, you can copy me when doing the designs or doing the paper. I should have said that earlier. I think we can move on to the next step, which is doing the lenses. Do not use this tape because you won't be able to see nothing. Don't use this tape either because it'll be kind of blurry when you put it on. Please use the clear tape because then you'll be able to see stuff. And this is what they look like. If you need to, you can add some tape to the end of this so it's not so sticky right there. You can do it to both sides if they're both sticky, with tape sticking to that. And then that's the lenses. I know it's kind of messy. And then the last part is making the strap. Just a second, I'm gonna go get a supply. Okay, finished. I am using kid scissors. Even, well, these don't fit me that well. And cut them as thick or thin as you want, and I cut them thin. And also you can add whatever designs you want on the binoculars or whatever color you want on the binoculars. And if you want to make them exactly like mine to turn out well, like my other pair, make sure to do the steps. Okay, I think this might be good. And also you can make them as long or as short as you want. I make them really long so it can fit anybody's neck. Same as this. I made this super duper long. I worked really hard on that. I'm just thinking. You can use smaller paper roll thingies, or paper towel rolls, paper toilet paper rolls, or whatever kind of rolls they have. So this is how long I took the strip, and then you can put it on the outside or inside, your choice. I usually put mine on the outside. And there you have it. This is the binoculars. Tell me in the comments, which one do you think is better? See you later. Hope you have a fun day.